Okay guys, hi, welcome again. Now I just decided just to do a video, a quick one. This is your sign to start that thing that you've been postponing in your head. Trust me, this is a sign to do anything that you want to do right now, even if you don't have the resources. Try Google, try YouTube, try search and watch videos instead of watching unnecessary dramas on YouTube. Please watch and learn something. This is a sign for you to start that business. This is a sign for you to start that school. Anyone who is interested in watching me, if you want to know how to get into nursing school, you're in the diaspora, send me an email, consultluzyaisha@gmail.com. Send me an email. I will take you through the whole process until you get admitted to nursing school. Yes, this is a promise to you. If you want to get some guidance from me, send me an email right away, okay? And I'm doing this because, of course, we are all struggling with something. Consistency, maybe life or education or family or just whatever you're doing, reading books and stuff like that. This is a sign for you to go to that school. Email me, send me an email, tell me, Lucy, I need this. The people that have sent me so many emails asking about the companies, the agency that sponsor EB3 visas. I saw your email, I read to you guys, I responded. There's so many requests. I decided that I'm going to do an ebook to share with you that information. And I will be sending another email to all of you again. I want people to win with me. I don't want to win all by myself. I want people to change their situations, to change their lives, to change their poverty cycle. I want people to break those cycles. I want people to win with me. This is a sign. If you're watching this, please take it as a challenge to go through anything that you've planned or you want to. Try and do it. Post that video on YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. You start making money. You start making fuel. Money for your fuel, money for your rent, money for your food, money for your education. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. Trust me, like there's no doubt. I am here to let you know. I know I've been postponing to do so many videos, but this is a sign. Just do. Send me an email, anything, please. Ask me how. Oops. Oh my gosh. Somebody will be knocked out by a car. These people driving here. It's not as crazy as back home, but it's too risky for some people. So this is your sign. Please do that. Please do that. Okay, peace.